this dog meme is hilarious. Whoa! Ah! If you've ever had fashion emergencies like Vicky here, we've got some great quick fix-it tips that can save the day and your DIY clothing hacks coming at ya. Whether your late-night dessert sessions are catching up with you, or you simply bent the wrong way, rips and tears happen. Make your first stitch from the inside of the seam to the outside. Next, stitch on the other side, but from the outside, and go back across again and again, like shoelaces. As you move your way up, make the thread taut, but not tight. See? Easy! Once you get to the top, go ahead and gently pull to tighten the stitches. Check it out! It's starting to look like a natural seam. You can't even see the thread anymore. To be prepared, always keep a needle and thread in your purse or book bag so you can quickly remedy a bad situation. No one should know what color undies you're wearing. Vicky, help a sister out here? Oh, looks like I snagged you there. I'm sorry. Wait, I have an idea. I'm gonna just borrow your bobby pin for 1 second. If you have a snag in your sweater, loop the thread through a bobby pin just like this. Then stick the bobby pin back into the sweater and out through another opening. See? Looks like it never even happened. Here's a closer look. Put the thread in the pin, push it through, and push it through another opening. Snag be gone. Okay, I'm not mad anymore. Thanks. Whoa, Vicky, your makeup. Helly, you should talk. A coin like this can actually come in really handy. The next DIY clothing hack is a really clever one, so watch closely. All right, let's give this guy a try, shall we? Cut a piece of denim out of an old pair of jeans in the shape of a circle. Flip it over so that the back side is facing up. Place the dime in the center. With a needle and thread, start to make stitches around the dime. You can make the stitches fairly large, but not too big, see? Go all the way around. Go ahead and gently pull the string tight so that it puckers the fabric around the dime. Now wrap the rest of the thread around the tail multiple times so that it's nice and tight. Put the button into the first buttonhole so that the tail is facing inward. Turn it over and start to widen and flatten the tail fabric so it's pressed against the jeans. With your thread and needle, sew the tail down flat so that the button stays put. Snip off the remaining thread. Now take the other buttonhole and slip the new denim button through it. Hey, that looks pretty good! So, if you're ever in a bind and don't have any spare buttons on you, spare change and some clever stitching can save the day. Another day, another work outfit. And while you like to keep things casual, a nice shirt tuck can take your outfit up a notch. Take a regular shawl or pashmina and put it over your head. With both hands, pull both corners under your arms and in front of your chest. Tie them together in a knot like so. Now here's the fun part. Take this knot and slide it over your head. Check it out! You've got a new funky vest to hide those unsightly pit stains. Take that, summer weather! Ever go from Netflix and chill to Netflix and clothing malfunction? Don't stress, you can fix this. Just take a pair of scissors and a pinch of creativity. It feels good being helpful, doesn't it? Place the torn pair of pants on a table in front of you. Fold them in half so one leg is on top of the other. Find the corner sticking out, that's the crotch of the pants that needs mending. By making this rip even bigger, you can now place your entire head through it. Now put your arms through what used to be the pant legs. They're now sleeves. Wow, they actually fit pretty nicely. And there you have it, a cute new crop top you can wear to work out in, or lounge around and watch more Netflix. Hey, we don't judge. You've got an adorable us a twirl. You know you want to.